Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create this modern travel poster design in Photoshop. The document size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, choose your image, and place it. Adjust its size and position. Now place the airplane PNG image into the design. Adjust its size and position. Then, go to the Rectangle tool and draw a long bar rectangle. Go to the Direct Selection tool and follow along here. Then select the Pen tool and add a point in the middle. And convert it into a curve using the Direct Selection tool. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. Press Ctrl plus T, right-click on it, and choose Flip Horizontal. Drag it and place it here. Select both layers and press Ctrl plus E to merge them. Change its color to white. Select the Pen tool and choose Shape. Then draw a shape as shown. Right-click on it and choose Blending options. Select Gradient Overlay and follow my gradient settings. Apply a drop shadow to it. Right-click on the drop shadow and choose Create Layer. It separate the effect layers. Adjust it as demonstrated. Select these layers, right-click on them, and convert them to a smart object. Then press Ctrl plus J for a copy of it. Press Ctrl plus T, right-click on it, and choose Flip Horizontal. And place it on the other side of the design. Place the dotted map in the design. Then decrease its opacity to 15%. Right-click on its layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to the Type tool and type your text. Follow my text settings. Go to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Add the green color to it. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Increase its size a bit. Then decrease its opacity to 30%. Press Ctrl+J again. And set the opacity to 15%. Select these three layers. Right-click on them and choose Convert to Smart Object. Copy this phone image from Google and paste it into the design. Go to the Magic Wand tool and click on the black part. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Apply a white color to it. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then place it inside the circle. Hold the Alt button to create copies of them. Press Ctrl+U to change the second circle's color to red. Select these icons and group them. I have already typed some text to save time. Place it in the design. Right-click on the image layer and choose Relink to File. Select the image and place it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.